Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela. If it's your first time stopping by, today I'm going to be talking to you guys about my face. Clearly you can tell that it is peeling. Something is going on, so I'm going to explain to you what's going on with my face and what facial treatment or facial procedure, if you want to say that, I did that got my face looking this way, okay? So I recently went to a dermatologist and decided to get a chemical peel done on my face. Now I have done chemical peels in the past. About 2 years ago was the last time I got a chemical peel, and I decided to just go through that process again because they did help my skin tremendously in the past. Now, I did talk about this on my social media. I've been posting a lot about my progress ever since I got this peel done on Friday. So what is a chemical peel? So a chemical peel is a chemical solution that is put on your face, and what it does is that it helps rejuvenate your skin. It helps get rid of dead skin cells. It helps with hyperpigmentation. It helps get rid of wrinkles, get rid of any aging lines. It also helps with helping you look younger and helping your face look more plumper. I love getting them done because my skin feels so good after the healing process. Now the downside to getting a chemical peel is that downtime, so you have to be comfortable walking around in public like I am looking right now. You have to put on a lot of sunscreen. If you know about sunscreen, it makes you look pale and it has this gray pigment that you get that it really does stand out, and people can tell that you have something on your skin. You guys know I've been on the struggle bus trying to get my skin to look healthy, and I feel like chemical peels will for sure help my skin. Now I plan on doing a chemical peel each month leading to the wedding because I just need my skin to look good on my big day. Now I will say that chemical peels should always be your last resort. Do not run to a dermatologist and say, hey, Angela said on her channel that, you know, I need to get a chemical peel because it'll help with my skin. No, this is a last resort option for you. You know, if you can use other cost-effective means to help your skin get better, then please try that first before you resort to getting a chemical peel. They're very costly. There's a variety of chemical peels and each peel has its own benefits. Now the one that I got is called the Vitalize chemical peel, and it does have a lot of hydroxy acids in it and a whole bunch of scientific ingredients in there that I'm not about to tell you guys because you're probably gonna be like, what? The Vitalize peel is a medium depth peel, so it's not deep penetration into my skin cells. And when I went into the dermatologist's office, I actually went to a medical spa, and I was talking to the esthetician that helped me out that did my peel, and I told her that I was going in to do the Rejuvenize peel, which is more aggressive. It gives you crazy deep penetration into your skin, and it helps if you have terrible acne. I mean, if your skin is just going through it. And so I expressed to her that my intention was to get the Rejuvenize peel, and she said to me, you know what, your acne is not actually as bad as you think it is. And I was like, really? She's like, oh yeah. She's like, I've seen worse. And so she recommended the Vitalize peel, which is the medium penetration peel that I told you, and she said that she wanted to start with that route because she had never treated my skin before, and she wanted to kind of see how it would react to this medium penetration peel, and she also wanted to see how I would progress through the healing process. So she said, let's try the medium peel, and after a month when you come back for your second peel, then I can assess you and determine whether we should just go up and increase the strength of the peel, which is the Rejuvenize. So I was like, okay. I mean, it saved me some money. Now the Vitalize peel is $175, and I was so glad that she gave me a 25% discount. She was so sweet. Oh my god, I think I became best friends with her by the end of the appointment because we were just chatting it up. We were just talking. She was so cool. She gave me a 25% discount, 25% off. So I ended up paying $131 for the procedure, and I was so glad. Now the Rejuvenize peel that I wanted to originally get is $225. So these peels are not cheap, they're expensive. So next time when I go for my second peel, she will see whether she'll be able to tell me whether I should do the rejuvenize or the vitalize. Now she also recommended microdermabrasion, which is a way to exfoliate my skin. They use a microderm tool that just really goes into your skin and just takes out all the dirt, the oils, you name it. So she was like, before we do the second peel next time, we're gonna do microderm, and then on top of that we will do the chemical peel. Let me tell you, at this point, I'm just going to invest all my coins in getting my skin to look good, because this bride is not about to walk down the aisle looking crusty, looking like she's been going through it in life. No, I need to be popping in those pictures. So I'm doing everything I can, you know, to just make sure that my skin looks beautiful, it looks healthy, it looks young the day of the wedding, and also post-wedding, you know, even pre-wedding. I want to be able to look good, feel good, because let me tell you, it's just hard. It's so hard to walk out there and just bare your skin to the world and just show that it feels like you have been torn apart, like your body has been split apart, and everyone is just looking into your life and just seeing all your insecurities, all your problems. Like, that's how I feel when I walk out with a bare face. It's just like, ugh, people are gonna stare, especially now that I'm peeling like crazy. People just stare all the time, and I'm just like, can I help you? But you know, I just can't wait to get to that point where my skin feels good, looks good, and just makes me feel more confident. I mean, I'm telling you, it's just, people always say you're so confident walking out with your skin peeling like that. And I always tell them, no, it's not confidence. It's just, it is what it is. Just you sucking it up and saying, you know what, I'm just gonna do it. In addition to that, I'm also gonna start doing facials. Believe it or not, I've never done a facial before, and I hear amazing things. I was watching a couple videos the other day on YouTube about facials and kind of like seeing the process and what they do, and I was so fascinated. I was like, whoa, they do all these things? Because the whole time I thought a facial just consists of getting a scrub, getting a mask, and getting a massage, and that's it. Lame. No, they do way more than that. So I think I'm going to start doing facials every month, in addition to getting my chemical peels. It's not gonna be cheap. I already know that. I'm gonna be spending probably $300 and up on just facial treatments. So, but I'm willing to, you know, make that investment and make that commitment to just get my skin looking healthy, because I am tired of going through products that are not working. You guys, let me get a little bit closer so you guys can see. I've been peeling a lot around my chin area, and I think it's because there's a lot of movement, like a lot of muscles that move a lot because you're talking and your mouth is moving, and you know, facial expressions are usually around this area. So I think that's why I peel a lot here, this area. And I've also been peeling around my cheekbone areas. I started to slowly peel around my T-zone. So I guess I'm peeling in the areas I need to peel, like the oily areas. But this is my skin. I do have sunscreen on, which is why I look pale. But this is, I got the peel on Friday last week. Today is, what's today? I got the peel last Friday, and today's Tuesday. So it's been Tuesday, Friday. It's been 5 days now, and this is just how my skin is looking. We are 2 days away from Thanksgiving, and I just hope I'm not peeling on Thanksgiving Day, because we're going to be taking pictures. This is all I wanted to share with you guys. I kind of wanted to give you an update on how my skin is doing and what's been going on. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate the support and the love. Don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.